And we're back. Before, in the last video, we were talking about contributions, and we were on, we had created a new contribution page. So let's go look at that contribution page again, and let's finish looking at all the tabs. So you simply click on configure and click on title and settings, and it'll open up that page again. And we had covered tell a friend. So if we check this box and we fill out this form, it will allow us to tell a friend. So let's just save that, and then it goes to the profiles. Let's go to the profile tab. Now this is a tab which allows you to collect more information from the people who are actually donating, and there's a number of different profiles that you can include, including name and address, new individual, shared address, summary overlay, and supporter profile. And it just adds those fields to the donate page, so when they make the donation they can actually add extra fields to add extra information to CiviCRM. This is the premiums menu, and it allows you to customize the title and introductory message. And it creates a premium section. And here's how you set it up. I'm not going to worry too much about this, because essentially what it allows you to do is it allows you to, if they make like an excessive donation or something, it allows you to give them a gift or something in return for that. And the widgets, this is what I was talking about before. You can actually enable a widget, and that allows your supporters to actually help you with your fundraising. And if we click save and preview, it will actually show us what the widget looks like, and this is what it looks like. And anybody can include a widget by copying and pasting this code over here. So if you click this button here, it selects all the code. You right click and you click copy. You can actually copy this and post this on any other website that you might have. And finally, personal campaigns. This would allow your constituents to create their personal fundraising pages. So if you are administering your campaign, your fundraising campaign, in such a way that each member, like for instance, say that you're doing pledges or something, that each member actually raises a certain amount of money, and you want to track that, this is how you do it. And this essentially creates a page for all the people who are involved with your fundraising, and that would be tied to a supporter profile, and we could probably talk about that later. So in terms of contributions, that's about it in terms of creating a contribution. If you actually create save, well, let's uncheck this here and press save, we can actually go and check out the page that we created. So you can either test drive it, or you can actually you can either test drive it or you can actually use it, but you can actually go to the page. And this is the actual page. And as you can see over here, we have the introductory message. We have the contribution amounts and various levels of donation, or they can click other amount and type in another amount. And email address, and this is the footer message that we typed up. So if they choose to do this and click continue, they can confirm it, and if they press continue again, this will now go to PayPal and they'll be able to make their donation. So that's it for now. Let's pick this up a bit later. Or actually, let me talk a bit about the other things under this menu. So under the contributions menu, you also have find contributions, which would allow you to find contributions that have been made if you need to do that. It's a pretty complicated form here, and you can use that to find contributions. Import contributions. We don't have to worry about it too much, but if you have a comma separated value file, you can actually import contributions into the system. Pledges, there's actually a pledge dashboard. So if people have made pledges to donate, you would actually see that here, and it would actually tell you a nice summary of how many people have actually donated, how many are outstanding, and so on and so forth. You can find a pledge, you can create a new pledge. We already covered contribution pages. We already covered personal campaign pages. We didn't really cover premiums, but essentially, like I said, those are thank you gifts, and we won't worry about price sets for now. So that's it for now in terms of contributions. Like I said, we'll pick this up later.